Hey there, everyone. Today we're going to review some similarities and differences in floor cleaning. Whether you have hardwood, vinyl, or linoleum floors, keeping them clean is essential for maintaining their beauty and longevity. Let's explore what these floors have in common and how they differ in terms of cleaning. First things first, let's talk about what these floors have in common when it comes to cleaning. Regular cleaning, regardless of the type of flooring. Regular cleaning is a must. Whether it's sweeping, vacuuming, or dust mopping, keeping your floors free of dirt and debris is essential to prevent scratching and maintain their appearance. Spills and stains. Spills happen, and when they do, it's crucial to clean them up promptly. Use a damp cloth or mop with a gentle cleaning solution to prevent stains and damage to the flooring surface. Avoid harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals and abrasive cleaners should be avoided on all types of floors. They can strip away protective coatings and cause damage, so opt for gentle cleaning solutions instead. Now let's discuss how these flooring types differ when it comes to cleaning. Water sensitivity. Hardwood floors are sensitive to excess moisture and should be cleaned with caution. On the other hand, vinyl and linoleum floors are more water resistant and can withstand damp mopping or even wet cleaning methods. Waxing. While hardwood floors benefit from waxing to protect and enhance their appearance, vinyl and linoleum floors may or may not require waxing, depending on the specific product and manufacturer recommendations. Scratches and scuffs. Hardwood floors are susceptible to scratches and scuffs from abrasive materials, requiring more caution when cleaning. Vinyl and linoleum floors are generally more resilient to scratches, but still require care to prevent damage. Specialized products. Vinyl and linoleum floors may require specialized cleaning products designed specifically for these materials. Similarly, hardwood floors may benefit from wood-specific cleaners or polish. So there you have it. While all three flooring types require regular cleaning, they differ in terms of water sensitivity, waxing needs, susceptibility to scratches, and the types of cleaning products recommended. Remember to follow manufacturer guidelines and use appropriate cleaning methods to ensure the longevity and beauty of your floors. For professional help or floor cleaning in the Alameda or Costa Contra County, contact System for San Francisco East Bay at 9M25-592-6001 or visit hgpspintosystem or norcal.com.